see, got leakage. Look at that leakage. Take a look here. Leakage. Right here, right here. All that holds the fan in place. What I want to do is lift it up, move it out of the way, and then take the radiator out. It should be easy. Okay. Again, here, that's all that's holding it in place. You can lift it right up. Got to get that fan out of the way, and we're gonna shove it that direction, so that way we can get it out. Then we're gonna do this bolt, move the fan blade this way. We're gonna have to remove this. Then after that, all we have to do is this bolt, and that bolt should remove the radiator, and we should be good. Taking out this one, loosen it up. Good. And video this way. You got it on? Okay, move this out of the way. This here. That one there, you see it? Okay, you can turn it off. Gotta drain the fluid out as much as you can. If you have something to capture it, great, but you know, I'm rigging it. Now, I'm in a county that allows this kind of thing. You have to check your local city rules around this kind of drainage of radiator fluid into the ground. Then of course we have this one right here that we're gonna have to pinch together and yank off, and so be ready because it can splash in your face. Should have took these off before I loosened it up. Yep, make sure you take these hoses off before you loosen the radiator, because now as you're trying to remove the hose, the radiator's moving with it. You have these, which we're not going to use. That is for the oil. You got this right here. We will need this. Then we're going to need to put this on here. You want to make sure you put these clips into place, because this is what's going to have and hold the fan blade cover. So then I had to knock these in place because they were hard to do. Okay, when you're ready, you're going to go put this radiator in. Two-man job, help you out. Once you place it in there, right in front of that fan cover, make sure it's all in place. You know, the
latches that were at the bottom, you want to make sure is there. Once you do that, go ahead and put these hoses on. Bottom hose, make sure it's nice and tight. Put the top hose on. Fantastic. Once you have the radiator in place, I'm going to go ahead and put those 2 screws that hold the radiator in place. Fantastic. Hand tight them. And I'm going to go ahead and then use my wrench after this.
Now those 2 that are here. See those? Can you see that those latches going?
Yeah, I got it.
Push down.
And it's in.
Now you just go ahead and put the screws back in. Let's see, 2 screws that hold the fan cover on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment. What do you think about my job? Love to hear what you have to say. Again, thank you for watching.